recommend Pancakeswap for the ones who don't have experience with KuCoin. Otherwise, yeah, KuCoin it's probably a bit more practical. Guys, we have 600.
Everybody,
no
make sure you're logged into Pink Sale right. If you're a pre-sale participant, make sure you're logged into Pink Sale right now. We got about 2 minutes. I'm going to hit finalize. So make sure you're in there waiting for that pink claim button to pop up, okay?
Just go on the Pink Sale, guys. Go on the Pink Sale. Connect your wallet. Make sure everything is cool. Otherwise, the ones who are not in pre-sale, just go on Pancakeswap. Introduce our contract. If you go on the main chat, you will see the last pinned message is the official contract. Just copy the contract, paste it into Pancakeswap or KuCoin, whatever you use, and be ready. But do not buy in the first 30 seconds unless we tell you. So just please do not buy, guys. And yeah, Jay, would you like to or I will just write the messages, just make everyone sure to not buy. I'm inviting Crypto Queen here. Yo, Queen, you here? Okay. If I have any
on Pancakes.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was muted.
Yeah, please.
I have a question. I was trying to set up everything ready on the Pancakeswap. When I'm adding the token address contract, it doesn't appear.
Yeah, because the liquidity is not added yet. We have Jay who's finalizing the pre-sale as we speak. Probably it's already done. Maybe you should check now, guys.
Okay.
Please, guys, don't go into the BSDX chat because they're not the contracts that anything to do with this. I think they're scams. So just disregard the chat altogether.
Always go to the pinned comments.
Yeah, we have the pin. We have the pin contract. Last message. Okay.
Yeah, because only moderators and devs the pinned comments.
Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to see if.
Okay.
Yeah, succeeded. Thanks.
All right. So we don't have the liquidity yet. So probably Jay is still finalizing it. At least I can see it.
Okay, guys, can you hear me? Sorry, Pink Sales. I keep hitting finalize and it's not working yet. So give me a minute. Of course, it's doing this. So just bear with us.
Always away. Always away.
Yeah, make sure you have BNB in the contract because this is some of the reason that doesn't work. Just make sure you have like 0.5 BNB, 1 BNB in the contract. The token contract.
Don't buy yet, though, right? Correct. Don't buy yet.
Yeah. I mean, you cannot even buy because there is no liquidity, guys. So just bear with us. This is like 760 members at the moment, guys. I will let every one of you. Like I have over 10 people who wants to ask their question.
Can I just say that we need to, once everyone can buy, we'll announce it in text and also announce it over voice chat as well. I imagine, will we? Once they can buy.
Can you repeat, please?
When we obviously the first few seconds we don't want anyone to buy, but will we tell people when they can buy?
Definitely. We will tell everyone on the voice chat, and we will pin in the main chat when everyone will should buy. So just bear with us. You have no reason to stress out. Jay probably is the one who's stressing out at the moment because he needs to finalize this.
And the girl as well who texted in with a question, she has to switch to Smart Chain in the Trust wallet. That will solve a problem.
Okay, yeah. So just make sure, guys, you are on the Smart Chain or from your Metamask or whatever you use. Just go on the Smart Chain and be ready. Okay, so I'm inviting some new people here. Let's go with Maverick. Maverick, you're unmuted.
Oh, hey, I don't have a question anymore. I just heard past the answer. Thank you anyway.
No worries, man. No worries. Let me go with wait. We have Air here, so we unmuted someone else. Air R. I'm going with Justice. I'm not sure if speaks already or not. And Flash.
Hello.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
When can we claim our tokens from PinkSale?
Yeah, the dev is finalizing as we speak. Just bear with us a couple of minutes, and everything will be solved. We're waiting for Jay. He's online in the voice chat. He just needs to give us the green light.
Hello. Okay. Thank you very much.
No worries. Let me go with Roger Smith. Yo, Roger, please, if you have any question.
Hello, mate. Unfortunately, I missed the pre-sale, so I'm planning to buy it on Pancakeswap. So my question is, will be the vesting applying on me, or it will be applying only on the pre-sale person?
No, there is no vesting, nothing to worry about, but just wait after launch. Just wait for 30-40 seconds until we fix the taxes, so you will be on the safe side, and then just enjoy the rewards and enjoy the journey, but nothing to worry about in regards of vesting.
Cheers. Thanks, mate. Best of luck.
No worries. Thanks a lot. Let's go with the.
Hey, the question, please.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you. The rewards will be in BUSD, not BUSDX.
Yeah, exactly. The rewards will be in BUSD.
Pre-sellers, I think, can claim their tokens now.
Yeah, can you try to claim your tokens, guys? And anyone?
Yes, we can claim our tokens now.
Okay. Oh yeah, the contract is the contract.
It finally went through.
The contract is launched. Jay, please let us know when we can buy, please.
So I will.
We can't buy yet, right? Correct? We can't buy.
Don't buy yet because you'll get wrecked.
Don't buy yet. Let the snipers get us all those beams into the marketing wallet.
Yeah, just make sure, guys, you let us know, because it shows that the liquidity pool and everything. I don't want to be a part of that bot situation.
No worries. Just stay with us, guys. Stay with us.
Just wait. I'm waiting for the success of the TXS to take the tax back down to 18. Once I see that it's indexing, and then I'll let you know when it's good.
We're waiting, Jay. We're here with you. $840 people in the chat. Everyone waiting for the same thing. So, okay. It's indexing, Jay?
Yes. It says still indexing.
Okay, guys, don't buy. Just don't buy. Just wait, please. I'm writing into the main group as well. Don't buy. Okay, so we're good on the group.
Hey, just so you guys know, I have it at 20% slippage, just to ensure that I'm able to get through.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
that's
good.
cool.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Go. Let's go, guys. I'm having the chat as well here.
Hope you guys can get in at a good rate.
Oh, we just went over 1 million market cap.
Let's go. I have any mod here that can just click the same thing that I click, please, on the main chat. Okay, yeah. Please join me, guys. Whew.
Well, does that ever take a while for that claim button to go through? It sits there and loads forever. It's almost like it's not going.
Oh, this is amazing. This is just amazing. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We are almost 2 million market cap. 1.7 million. Let's go, guys.
Look at that big green.
Hey, guys, it's not working. I can't get on.
No, just press it again, bro. Just try some higher slippage.
Slippage. I would put the slippage to like 30 at the start. That's what I would do. I got wrecked before.
Into a token that I really want to get. If I really want to get into it, I put 49. Honestly,
Yeah.
you won't necessarily want to always pay the 49 because it's the lowest it will get in at. But
Guys, we were on 3 million market cap. We are on 3 million as we speak.
I got wrecked with Unimoon not doing the right slippage, and I had to keep redoing it, and I got wrecked.
We're on 2.5 million at the moment.
Yeah, this thing's like a rocket, man.
3 million, guys. Let's go.
Oh my.
Oh my days.
Yeah, my favorite color is green.
Let's go, guys.
Screw that red. I don't like red.
This is just crazy. This is just insane.
Freaking 3.2 million now. 3.3.
3.2 million. Let's go. We want 10 millions tonight, guys.
Imagine that. 10 million on the first hour.
That's possible. We got 3 million so far. 3.2 million. 3.3 million. Let's go, guys. How many people have still almost 800 people in the chat? This is fucking madness.
Oh, 3.7 now. 3.8.
3.7 million?
Guys, I'm still working on the private sale with the VSC seems congested, of course. So I'm still trying to get those airdrops out. Just bear with me, please.
The airdrops. So you mean the pre-sale airdrops?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it has to be done on your end. I didn't know that. I thought it was automatic once you click the button.
This is crazy, guys. This is just crazy. Let me invite some more people to speak now. So
4.1 million. Come on.
4.1 million, guys. Let's go.
We got 750 people in this chat. Holy crap.
This is just crazy. For all the people who were confused about Jay and about his skills and so on, guys, I think we managed to do it great. Great. This is insane. Well done to all of you. 5 million, guys. It's 5 million.
5 million. Oh my gosh.
We are on 5 million.
This is insane, man.
Guys, I told you 10 million tonight.
Don't
This is
sell,
just
don't
insane. This is just insane. Let's go.
Sellers will be wrecked.
Hey, I bought. How long does it take to see in Trust Wallet?
I mean, you should be able to see it right now.
It should be instantaneous.
I bought. Waiting. It's not showing up.
In Trust Wallet, so just go and copy the contract, add new token on Trust Wallet, and make sure you add the symbol and everything, and then you should be good to go.
Okay, Jay, can you just check your DM, buddy?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please go ahead.
Why is the trade button on KuCoin disabled?
It's in the right of the name. You're from the phone, or you're on the I don't know, the desktop or something.
Desktop.
Okay, so you have BUSDX, right? You have the name, and
yes.
In the right of the name you have the sign of BSC scan, and you have the trade button.
Yeah, the trade button is grey color.
Yeah. I don't know what color you have, but it's just writing trade. You have trade.
Yeah, I can't press it.
Can you send me a screenshot into my DM, please?